North Central Brazoria County in southeastern Texas, northeastern Fort Bend County in southeastern Texas, Harris County in southeastern Texas until 1:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard: flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source: law enforcement reported. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Maryland, Sugar Land, Missouri City, Alvin, Stafford, Bel Air, West University Place, Tomball, Jersey Village, Manville, Hunters Creek Village, Bunker Hill Village, Piney Point Village, Spring Valley, Spring Branch West,
Oh, they're
Spring
after
Branch North, Afton Oaks, or River Oaks area, Greenway, or Upper Kirby area, Memorial Park and Nurtown, or Montrose. This includes the following low water crossings: Evergreen Road at Mustang Bayonne, Tram of Fresno Road at Mustang Bayonne, Ruan Road, Clear Creek, Zion Road at Bronx Gully, Hardy Toll Road and Rankin Road, Deer Trail Drive at Halls Bayonne, Golf Bank Road at tributary of Halls Bayonne, Granville Drive at Little White Oak Bayonne, White Oak Drive at Little White Oak Bayonne, Fuqua Gardens View Road at Sims Bayonne, Farm to Market 2978 at Willow Creek, Gosling Road at Willow Creek, Cook Road at Braes Bayonne Tributary, Flocka Road at Sice Gully, Schroeder Lane at Willow. This is your NOAA weather radio station KGT 68, Houston, Texas. This is your NOAA weather radio station KGT 68, Houston, Texas.
I'll say for you on that, yeah. That's the only one, yeah.
Flood watch in effect through this evening. What flooding caused by excessive rainfall is possible? Where?
If you live in hurricane-prone areas,
retirees with 500.
a lot.
May result in
They're en route to the promised land.
I guess it's looking. What?
until 1:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:34 a.m. Central Daylight Time, local law enforcement reported flash flooding across portions of northwest Harris County. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard: flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source: law enforcement reported. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Maryland, Sugar Land, Missouri City, Alvin, Stafford, Bel Air, West University Place, Tomball, Jersey Village, Maple, Hunters Creek Village, Bunker Hill Village, Piney Point Village, Spring Valley, Spring Branch West, Spring Branch North, Aspen Oaks, or River Oaks area, Green Lake, or Upper Kirby area, Memorial Park and Nuttown, or Montrose. This includes the following low water crossings: Evergreen Road at Mustang Bayonne, Tram of Fresno Road at Mustang Bayonne, Ruan Road on Clear Creek, Zion Road at Boggs Gully, Hardy Hill Road and Lincoln Road, Deer Trail Drive at Halls Bayonne, Balbeck Road at tributary of Halls Bayonne, Greenville Drive at Little White Oak Bayonne, White Oak Drive at Little White Oak Bayonne, Super Garden View Road at Sims Bayonne, Farm to Market 2978 at Willow Creek, Gosling Road at Willow Creek, Cook Road at Braves Bayonne tributary, Walker Road at Sykes Gully, Schroeder Lane at Willow.
Oh, that's what it talks about. Headway. Use headway produce the cross-border conditions. It's going on. It's going on. I know like everything is a background, but right now it's too late. FFW, Sugarland, and the Ford Creeks. Where's the rose? The FFW right now. Fort morning is not gonna be shortly. What conditions? The Ashbrook, the FFW right now. Heavy rain produces flash flooding and flash flooding, what should say? For Southeast Texas, for everyone. One more thing about condition. Whoops. What is that? I want to know alert. I'll check first. That's okay. That's it. I'll put this over in a few seconds. Alright, back to the show. We're going to compare. It's got to go to compares. 2 minutes away. 30 minutes away now.
And Harris County. This concludes activation of the Houston Area Emergency Alert System.
Forget it. Activating EAS. Anyway. 847 activating for voice.
No idea.
At 1:03 p.m. Central Daylight Time, gauge reports indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. At Smith Gully and State Highway 146, 1.96 inches have fallen in the last 30 minutes. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen in the warned area. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 4 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: gauges reported. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Eastern Baytown, Beach City, Mont Bellevue, Old River Winfrey, and Cove. This includes the following low water crossings: Winfrey Street at Smith Gully. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely. This is your...
I got GSP HDS in the first weather alert day continues.
Beach City, Mont Bellevue, Old River Winfrey, and Cove. This includes the following low water crossings: Winfrey Street at Smith Gully. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely. East across.
That's the 560 KLV EAS activating.
The activation of the Houston Area Emergency Alert System.
That's the activating.
Really high flavor varieties.
Paris, Liverpool.
That's the what did I 740 560 KLV KGOH do it to set like a bangs 100%. And activated.
Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. Where? A portion of southeast Texas, including the following counties: Harris, Montgomery, and Waller. When? Until 3:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Streams continue to rise due to excess runoff from earlier rainfall. Additional details: at 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, stream elevation sensors indicate that water levels remain high in certain creeks and streams. Flooding is already occurring in the warned area. Runoff from recent rainfall continues to elevate water levels in creeks and streams in the warning area. Elevated flows are present in Little Mound Creek, Cypress Creek, 3 Mile Creek, Spring Creek, Live Oak Creek, Walnut Creek, and Willow Creek. Some locations that will experience flooding include Tomball, Prairie View, Pinehurst, Hockley, Waller, Magnolia, and Stagecoach. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. The coastal waters forecast.
I knew it. I knew it.
And then maybe when they get back around Texas or out
In 2015 and were diagnosed with hearing loss or ringing in the ears, you may be entitled to compensation. The manufacturer of these medicine earplugs recently paid $9.1 million to resolve claims that their earplugs were defective, potentially exposing service members to damaging sound levels that could have resulted in hearing loss or tinnitus. If you or a loved one were issued earplugs and were diagnosed
No.
This station is activating the Houston Area Emergency Alert System at the request of the National Weather Service in League City due to a flood warning in effect until 3:30 a.m. for
Our side.
Montgomery and Waller counties. Going until 3:30 a.m. Flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring at this moment. Streams continue to rise. Excess runoff from earlier rainfall. Once again, the National Weather Service in League City is issuing a flood warning in effect until 3:30 a.m. for portions of Paris, Montgomery, and Waller counties. This concludes activation of the Houston Area Emergency Alert System. Remember, when
What do you do to the FLW one there?